OpenAI has launched agent mode in ChatGPT and it's truly amazing. People are already doing a lot of crazy things using agent mode. It combines the previous tools like operator, deep research, code interpreter into one unified system. That means it can run a visual browser or terminal, it can fill forms, create spreadsheets, and generate slides. To access agent mode, you must be on a paid plan. Free tier users cannot access agent mode yet. From ChatGPT drop-down tools menu, select agent mode. It will show you a couple of examples that you can perform, but we are going to give some complex tasks to it. I am planning to go to Vietnam this December and was exploring some budget options, but all the travel websites were showing really high prices. I'm too lazy to research. Let's give this task to ChatGPT's agent mode. So I gave it a prompt to plan a budget trip to Vietnam in December. I asked a bunch of questions: what currency to carry, visa process, places to visit, and more. Let's send this request. As you can see, it started setting up the desktop and asked me to continue. Oh wow, you can see it literally opened a website and started clicking the buttons. That's crazy. This is hours of work. I could have just sit on my computer and browsed maybe max 5 to 10 websites and decided what is best, but this agent mode is game changer in my opinion. I think it's very cool to see a web browser doing all the tasks and you sitting and chilling and having a coffee. You can also rewind and see what it is doing. Okay, finally it took almost 10 minutes to complete the research and gave me bunch of updates like currency, visa, key places to visit, food options, etc. It could have easily taken me around 5 to 6 hours to find out all these details. That has done it in 10 minutes. This is actually useful when you think about it. The agent mode has monthly usage limits. Like for plus users, you get 40 requests. For pro users, you get 400 requests. I'm really liking the way these chatbots are changing and becoming more and more useful. So, what do you think about the agent mode? Is it a game changer or just an overhyped tool? Let me know in the comments below. I will see you in the next video.